At WithYouWithMe, we recently hosted a job accelerator event in partnership with FINTRAC. The event provided attendees with valuable insights and tips on how to accelerate their careers in the tech industry. We shared our origins, mission, and goals, while FINTRAC provided valuable background on their mission, hiring objectives, and career opportunities. The event also gave job seekers the chance to network with potential employers and learn about exciting job opportunities in the financial industry.
We believe in a world where people should be valued based on their ability to learn skills, so their aptitude, more than the last job they had or what school they went to, which would be their experience. And so we embarked on a journey to help underrepresented groups build valuable, meaningful digital skills and obtain work to have a great career in the future. And there's clearly a desire for this type of thing, which makes us proud. The basic model that we use is discover, train, deploy, and grow. So that's jumping onto our free program, completing some aptitude and psychometric testing, which helps you understand what your potential could be based on your natural ability, irrespective of your education level, your previous job. Really, it's about an objective look using some data to drive some of your decisions that you may not have had access to before. So then we offer digital training. We have a certified academy, we have instructors in-house, we build content, and we've scaled that globally with an accreditation under ANSI and a series of industry accreditations for various courses. We then offer a variety of ways to deploy that talent into the workforce. We've got a fantastic partnership now with FINTRAC to help people move into a variety of technical roles inside the Canadian financial system.
Part of my life's mission, life's work is continuing to be able to influence change, to hone in on the potential of our workforce, our future workforce. So part of our work really is about partnerships, which is a key component of why we're here today. We are a unique employer, which means we really do take advantage of that to come out as an employer of choice. A lot of focus on the importance of a diverse organization and really focusing on continued upskilling, training, and that all forms part of our unique culture as an organization that very much hones in on that broader employee development and growth. And of course, we are here to talk primarily about these type of jobs and many roles in the corporate space, all to achieve our vision in terms of safe Canadian secure economy.
Contact us to learn how you can get involved.